Hello friends, welcome to my channel Umar's Learning Hub. And today's class we will learn question, a new question which is new to everyone, and we will apply a new trick and a different trick that no one has implemented on it since a long time. So the question says 23 multiplied by 56. It seems a very tricky question because the only method is to solve by a long division since we are doing from grade 2 onwards the long division one. But we will not implement on this long division. We will solve by a tricky trick which is new to everyone. So let's go ahead for the new trick to solve. Firstly, we will break 56 into two parts. 56, the second number, always break the second number. First number is 23 and the second number is 56. So always break the second number, which is 56. 56. So we will break 56 into 50 plus 6 into two parts. 50 plus 6 is equal to 56. So in bracket we will write 50 plus 6, and before the bracket we will write 23. This bracket shows it indicates that 23 is being multiplied by 56 and with 6. So then we will expand it by 23 into 50 will be written in a bracket, and plus 23 into 6 will be written in a bracket because 23 is being multiplied by 50 and 56, as I told you previously. So the next step is, now we will solve each part. Each part means 23 plus 50 and plus 23 into 6 plus 23 into 6. Now we will solve the each part. 23 into 50, how we will solve a long division? So 23 into 5 is 115, and in the end we will multiply by 10, so we will get 1150. So we will get 1150. So in the so the second part, which is 23 into 6, 23 into 6 is 138. Then we will add them. Which two numbers we will add them? 101 1150 plus 138. We will add both them, so we will get the answer 1288. So finally we have reached to the answer 1288 by not implementing on a long division. We have only assumed this shorter method. So we can easily reach to our final answer. So I hope that you have that we have understand the today's lesson. So you can easily implement on any question, like 46 into, like this question says 23 into 56. So you can take any question like 46 plus 96. You can easily solve this type of question in within second. So I hope that you have reached to my point, and thank you for